Hi everyone, this is Adriana with Product School, here to walk you through the PM Career Vision Planner. So to get started, go to File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. And keep in mind that there is an accompanying blog post that you can find on the second slide and also in the bottom right-hand corner throughout the template. And that will just give you more details on how you can effectively use the template. The first few exercises in the template are designed to help you identify your career values. So you're going to go through your highs and accomplishments that you've already had, the things that motivate you and bring you energy, the product professionals that you admire, and all of these things will point you towards your core professional values. And then we're going to dive in a little bit deeper into the product side of things. So you're going to ask yourself, what kind of PM am I? Because product management can span across so many different kinds of industries. There's different kinds of product managers, and there's so many different skills as well that PMs have to call upon to do this job. So you're going to really hone in on what are those skills, what is that industry that you really see yourself in. And through this series of questions, you'll be able to identify that as well. And once you're done with that, you're going to make a concise statement of everything that you just reflected on. This is your 5-year career vision statement where, your most ideal vision of your professional self in 5 years, what does that look like? And you're going to use this statement as a kind of North Star in your product career. And then comes the more challenging part, which is actually putting that into action and sustaining that action over the long term. So you're going to set 2 kinds of goals, big picture goals and micro goals. The big picture goals you can also think of as milestones, the big events throughout the 5 years that will get you closer to that larger career vision. And then the micro goals are the smaller actions that you take on a daily, weekly, monthly basis that will eventually build up to get you to those big picture goals and to that vision. So the big picture goal might be getting a promotion, and the micro goal might be every month I am going to take on extra responsibilities within my current role to upgrade those skills that I need to get that promotion. And then you're going to map those micro goals out. So if your milestone for the end of year 1 is this, then you think, okay, what micro goals do I have to prioritize for this year that will eventually build up to that first year milestone? And finally, you are going to set a follow-through plan, because the whole point of this template is to set you up for success. But 5 years is a long time to sustain action, and product management is a challenging career. So expect that there are going to be moments of doubt, days that aren't that great, and set an action plan for those days. Set yourself up with someone that you're accountable to so that when those moments come, you have a plan in place for what you can do to get back on track and to recenter yourself in that vision. All right, and that's it for the template. You can find more resources here. The Product Podcast has a season that is all about the PM career. We just launched that. And if you like this template, you can find more like it in the product template section of our website. And that's it. Thank you.